Alright, so I'll be getting some requests to do a video of the other garage doors are broken. So the first one is completely broke right here. Yeah. And the windows are messed up too. So this one they have to get a new garage door, I think. Yeah. Alright, so I'm in a dummy place right now. So here's another broken garage door. So it doesn't work for some reason. So it's not working. So yeah. Oh my gosh, it's very windy right now. I have to hurry the video until I leave. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.